So, oh guys, what's up? And today we'll be playing. Why not go for Subway Surfers? I didn't play the game in a long time, and really, I'm not that good at it, so I'll give it a try today. So yeah, let's do it. So there's just a train passing by. So yeah, not gonna talk that much because we want to concentrate on the game. But mark my words, I don't get a good score. It's just definite. So that's my dog. Don't worry. Bruh. Wow. Just gonna collect everything I can and yay! Off a rush. Rush and rush, rush and rush. Bruh. At least I'm going. Chiyo babcha. What? That was just so unfair. How am I supposed to know that there's a train coming down there? Luckily I had a hoverboard. A board, that's not even a hoverboard. Damn. How did these trains even get here in the first place? Like, it's just confusing. My. Oh my, that was actually close. I nearly got taken out there. Oh, let's cheat, please. That didn't go well. Yay. I'm a cheater. I'm not happy with my score. Yeah. Why? Yay. No. So yeah, I didn't think I want to really carry on Subway Surfers. So let's go for FIFA Mobile. Why not? Sorry. Why not? But I wasn't on for like 5 days. Let's see what's changed. So right now I'm here. Okay, free kick League 1. Score. Oh wow. That's great. Let's go to live events. Oh my! In 1 hour and 34 minutes. Yes, Totti, yes! I might be able to get a Totti player. Because if you look at my team, it's not the best team. Let me show you all of the players. It's not really the best of the best. But it's still good. Still good. For example, I have 8 elite players, which I'm proud to say is extremely good. So right now we're going to go to market and check if I can get another elite player. So my team I need a right wing, you know, but Higuain, oh, that is just so out of. So let's go for elite players. Price up to, let's say 11. No, you want to buy now. Price 11,000. I don't even know how to write on these things these days. And we'd want a right wing. I thought so. Let's go for a centre forward, please. Oh my, this is just getting ridiculous. Just when I'm filming a video, it actually has to go like, nope, sorry, not today. No, this is unbelievable, Jeff. Okay, let's put 15. 1, 2, 3. Please. Wow. No, literally, wow. Yeah. Well, at least we know what I'm buying today. So, yeah. I'm just thinking, I'm looking for a cheap price, you know, because last time I got scammed here, so I already got tricked by 5k. So, today, we're going for Menes. Buy it now. I don't care. I'm not letting anybody have a chance on this guy. He's mine. Nobody messes with me. Nobody. So let's go to my team and upgrade. Thank you very much. Yeah, another elite player. So now we need 3 more and attack is fully elite. So let's show all to make it look better. Let's look for a centre forward. So today, I'm gonna play Hussey 10. Or actually, I'm gonna play MR Archie. Yeah, let's wreck his squad. Because I heard he has a bad squad. And apparently he's good, but a bad squad. Yo, my. He has 2 good players. But look at my team. Look at my goalkeeper. It's bad. My team is bad. It's banter. So, maybe he was right about his team being good. So let's just go up forward. Just through through his defenders. I mean, I'm surprised the keeper didn't stop that because that was a poor shot, but on target. So, yay, Modeste. They're gonna wreck them. That's just a sign. Pazan, just finish it off. Okay. He had so much time to shoot, but he's like, nope. I'm a snail. Not today. In the manner of snails, I'm not like anything. There's nothing, not like there's anything bad with snails, but they're quite slow. So yeah, Mr. Archie. I know him. I mean, everybody in my league, I know them because they're from my school. So yeah, if you'd like to join the clans, the league's called Tooting United, and yeah, we'll try to accept because the more fans, the better, and our global rank. So yeah. If you want to play me, join the league and yeah, you can then play me. It's just too easy. No, literally, it's just too easy, I swear. I feel sorry for Mr. Archie, because literally, I mean, right now I'm playing on my phone, so it's really actually a little bit harder. What, Mr. Archie? You had to pop it up now. No, first off, stop. Oh my, this is just ridiculous. How is this happening? I'm losing. If you score, yeah, you won't score. Dealt with. Royce, I'm gonna give you a chance to wreck them all. Da 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 da. Oh, oh. Royce, I'd rather you just hoofed it into the goal than lose the ball when you're trying to skill somebody up, because it is more humiliating. Thank you. That is called a brilliant goal. So by the way, if you're on FIFA, go check out Royce. He's only like 48k. So very cheap. I mean, at least I got him for very cheap. The rest were actually very expensive. So yeah, Modeste, take the shot. Oh, why? Good game though, Mr. Archie. You're better than I. Suspended, so amateur 3, so pro 2. I mean, that's big difference. I'm like off by 3. So yeah, I might make another So I might make another video later, cause I'm very, very excited about the Totti defenders, Totti midfielders, and Totti attackers. So yeah, I'll try and make another video. So bye. Sorry, no, I was just being funny. Bye.